And just yesterday, I presented this to a group of faculty members who raised all sorts of questions, and I hopefully was able to answer them properly. Today, I want to share this with you because I posted this on Facebook and a lot of people seemed interested. So if you're interested in the Dhaka Stock Exchange, how to use Python to do backtesting, and generally interested in things at the intersection of finance and technology, which I certainly am, then feel free to watch this. There is no API or application programming interface for the Dhaka Stock Exchange to execute trades, which means that I would basically not be able to create a trading bot here in Bangladesh, to my knowledge. If any of you have or tried or know some tricks, let me know. Now, the third thing was selecting a benchmark. This was pretty easy. I chose the DSE X benchmark because it's representative of the entire stock exchange. I am open sourcing the code. In the comments, you'll find a GitHub link where I've open sourced the entire code base. Please feel free to tear it apart, criticize it, give me feedback. It only helps me learn more because there are a few more experiments coming, hopefully. But let me know.